Today, I'm sure you know, we are celebrating All Saints' Day. It is a solemnity, meaning there is a Gloria and a Creed. It was instituted to honor all the saints, both known and unknown, and according to Pope Urban IV, to supply any deficiencies in the faithful celebration of saints' feasts during the year. In the early days of the Church, the Christians were accustomed to solemnize the anniversary of a martyr's death for Christ at the place of the martyrdom. In the 4th century, neighboring dioceses began to interchange feasts, to transfer relics, to divide them, and to join in a common feast, as is shown by the invitation of St. Basil of Caesarea in 397 to the bishops of the province of Pontus. Frequently, groups of martyrs suffered on the same day, which naturally led to a joint commemoration. In the persecution of Diocletian, the number of martyrs became so great that a separate day could not be assigned to each. But the Church, feeling that every martyr should be venerated, appointed a common day for all. The first trace of this we find is in Antioch on the Sunday after Pentecost. We also find mention of a common day in a sermon of St. Ephrem the Syrian and in the homily of St. John Chrysostom. At first, only martyrs and St. John the Baptist were honored by a special day in the liturgical calendar. Other saints were added gradually and increased in number. Still, as early as 411, there is in the church calendar a commemoration of the confessors for the Friday after Easter. In the West, Pope Boniface IV, on May 13, 609, consecrated the Pantheon in Rome to the Blessed Virgin and all the martyrs, ordering an anniversary. Gregory III consecrated a chapel in the Basilica of St. Peter to all the saints and fixed the anniversary for November the 1st. A Basilica of the Apostles already existed in Rome, and it's ours, our Franciscan Basilica, and its dedication was annually remembered on May 1st. Gregory IV extended the celebration on November 1st to the entire church. The vigil seems to have been held as early as the feast itself. And so there you go, All Saints' Day. So what does that mean to you? It means that you must be one of them. We must be one of them. And so we dedicate ourselves to becoming saints, all of us. And that will give this feast even greater meaning. And remember, our vocation, perpetual adoration. That's how you become a saint.